Yes, people, good morning, good night, wherever you're watching from, guys. Kai here from Savage Performance. We're back with another one today. So I'm just making this little intro before the main intro. So we had a pre-recorded video which was due to be uploaded on Monday, which would have been normal, scheduled programming. But yeah, I spoke to the owner of the car. He said just hold fire on it just for now. He's not really ready to put his car up on YouTube as of yet. So here's what it is. So we're going to be getting into the wiring on Pearl. I'm currently waiting on some wire also. So yeah, in this video we're just going to be mapping out some stuff, getting some measurements and stuff. Still waiting on some wire because some plans did change and stuff. So yeah, as I said, this will be part one, and yeah, hopefully next week we will be making a start on it. So stay tuned, drop a comment, drop a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you never miss an upload. See you in a minute, guys. So yeah, here we have Pearl in all her glory. For those who don't know that are just tuning in, this is my street car. So it's a four-door, well, EK4 sedan. So it's actually a four-door EK. As you see, sitting there in that prime. Yeah, man, we just had a little idea to, do a little series on this. So yeah, for those that have been tuned in, this is the next portion. So as you see here, this is obviously going to be cylinder 1. So I've just got a piece of string attached to cylinder 1 coil lead, HT lead, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I'm just getting like a rough measurement. I do want to get over. I do want to oversize this because yeah, it's better to have more than less. So as you see, I've just got some string. We're taking the longest measurement, which would be cylinder 1. I should put the coil plate on really and see, but just getting a rough measurement for now. So yeah, I'm going to just take like a rough guess because obviously it's going to go underneath all of this. It's not going to go over the top. So I'm just getting like a rough measurement kind of into the ECU side of things, which will be like down here. And then once I get like a rough measurement to here or here, I'm just going to add a foot just so we know we've covered ourselves and got enough wiring. So yeah, let me get this done. I'm on my own recording, so you just have to bear with me, guys, on the footage. So as I said, guys, this is literally just a rough measurement. Just trying to keep it neat. Just try not to make it too tight. Just try and go around everything. And so should have went under this really, but I've got a bit of slack there, so that can go under that fuel line, under the intake manifold. As you see down there, we've got quite a bit of slack because it drops down near enough towards the subframe, so we'll have enough slack there. We'll run through the firewall, and obviously my ECU is kind of about here. I just added some more to be safe, so that's locked. But yeah, ECU is about there, and my wire's about there. But I'm still going to add about half a foot to a foot just to be safe. So we'll need 3 wires for this, and obviously yeah, 3 for each cylinder. Obviously these will be shorter, but I'm going to take a rough measurement from the longest one, and yeah, so I'll take that measurement, and also need to do the T1 trigger going into the car and the pressure sensors. So I'll get on that and I'll get back with you guys. So yeah, I took a rough measurement, just gave myself some extra length. So that's my spot right there, which basically went near enough to the back of the car. Just wanted to make sure I got enough length. And just past that, I'm just going to call that 14 foot just to be safe. Also we got some extra, but yeah, that should be that. So we've got a lot of wire to order. So yes guys, I've got my rough measurements for the T1 trigger and the coil pack wiring. So quite happy with that. I know it's like a rough guesstimate, I've probably overshot it, but at least we'll have more wire. Right now, you see I've got my string kind of wrapped around this, because as you see up here we've got a couple 10mm bolt holes. Well, I think there's just one threaded one, but I'm going to be moving my fuel pressure regulator from this strut tower right here, and obviously this gauge will be going as well. We're going to be running a external pressure sensor on this, so I'm going to be mounting this up here somewhere, probably put the fuel filter underneath the car. So yeah, I'm just taking like a rough measurement from here. If my regulator would be here, so yeah, kind of go down there, and then obviously my battery won't be here, it will be in the boot, but we'll have a catch can here. But yeah, so this measurement I take will probably be slightly longer than it looks, because obviously it's going up right now, whereas you know it's actually going to go straight through. I'm just being lazy guys to take this battery out right now, but yeah, I'd rather have, you know, more wiring than we need, so it is what it is. So same thing, ECU, get a bit extra, and we should be good to go. But guys, I am dying in this heat right now, so I'm just trying to get this done. I can get a job done as well and then get out of here for today, man, because it is stupid hot. So yes man, just got all of our measurements completed, so I just got them sent over to Ricky. I was just on the phone to him because he's obviously dealing with racing circuits on behalf of me, because yeah, I was on the phone to them the other day, and guys, when I was talking about shielded wire and stuff, guy was asking me what type of shielded wire. I was just like, so yeah, it was just one of them. So I just said to Ricky, you chat to the guy, let me know how much it is, and then it is what it is. We go from there, man. But we are getting there, guys. We're really getting there. Making fast progress on this build, guys. Like faster than I anticipated, and it's just, yeah, it's coming a long way, very quick. And so big up to all the people that have helped me along the way with this car. Like I wouldn't have done it without you guys. Even just, you know, messages just pushing me to say, yo, bring it out, man. Just put something in and bring it out. Like, I wouldn't have done it without you guys, so I really appreciate it. Like I said, man, this stuff, it is all materialistic, but there is people out there that always doubt themselves and, you know, just scared to try new things. Like, I was one of them, guys. Don't get it twisted. I still do it from time to time, but what I can say to you guys is, if you have like a goal in mind, just do it. Don't worry what anyone says. Don't worry if you fail. Just pick yourself back up and, you know, get straight back to it, man. This stuff, it will drive you crazy. EK47 is a prime example. Like, the car has driven me crazy, but I've still got it there, still in the corner, and she ain't going nowhere. So when my mind's right and I can get back into it, I'll get back into it. But for now, we're pretty much, I'll say 90% there with parts, and yeah, we've got tons of bits to go on, tons of bits to show. You know, this build's going to be sick, guys. So hope you're staying tuned, and I hope that anyone that needed to hear that message that I just sent, you know, just, yeah, take it on board, man. Trust me, guys. But yeah, probably in the next clip, Ricky will be down. We should have the wire by then, and yeah, man, we should just be getting onto this wiring. So new engine should be in, and we're gonna get wiring. So sorry guys, I just lost my trail of thought there again. It's too hot out here, man. It's too hot out here. But yeah, man, I'll see you in a minute, guys. So a couple bits have changed since that last piece of footage. I managed to find a T1 trigger plug and play harness. I believe it's plug and play, like a standalone harness from Burton Racing. I actually got Sonny's coil and plug kit from them, and it slipped my mind. So I took all my measurements for the T1 stuff and whatever, and then I just done a little web search, and I completely forgot about Burton Racing. So I ended up ordering that straight from them in America. So that should be here, I think, this week or the next. So yeah, it's literally just waiting on the wire for the coils, and I think I've got some wire in here for the pressure sensor. So shouldn't be too bad and too long in that sense. But yeah, we're not far off, guys, at all regarding the wiring. Also painted up the front wheels. Just use some satin black. So they look nice. Got the AR1s on there. Yeah, man. So, yeah, man, wiring side of things, as I said, I'm just waiting on wire. The look of the car is going to change drastically as well with the next few videos, so you'll be seeing that also. The car will be getting the fabrication done, hopefully in-house as well, so don't have to take the car anywhere. So yeah, man, like I said, we got a lot of footage for you guys, and yeah, man, I just can't wait to show it to you. Like, honestly, I'm more excited for this than like anything I've built. I don't know why, but it's just been like a dream of mine to just have a B series street car and just be ripping. If we can go 9s, like I said, man, and still be, you know, road legal in a sense, we've made a dream come true, guys, in the space of a couple months. Using old school technology. Like, everyone, you know, is on the K series bandwagon. I'm one of them, don't get me wrong, but you know, it's good to see something different. Like good old B series, man, the dinosaur. And I just thought it would be right to keep the car period correct, as it is a, you know, a genuine EK4. Comes with a B16 from the factory, for those that don't know. So yeah, I just wanted to keep it somewhat OEM plus in a sense. We're gonna be, you know, you're gonna see the fabrication side of things, which is gonna be sick. Like I said, man, exhaust will be out the bonnet. That's gonna be like the only thing where I can say, you know, like road legal side of things, but you know, I've done it before, so I'll do it again. It is what it is. But yeah, man, like I said, we'll keep this for part 1. I just tried to make a little gap filler video, as I said, like the original video I was supposed to upload. It just, yeah, plan just went out the window. So stay tuned for part 2, which should be coming next week. Hopefully we should have the wiring stuff by then, and we can, yeah, just get wiring and just get some content out for you guys. I mean, this stuff is, this car, so it's hard to say, guys. Like, I had no intentions this year whatsoever of bringing this car out. I've said it for years that I wanted to bring it out, wanted to do something with it. Like, the car was just sitting in the corner all this time. So it's a bit of a rust thing. So I don't want to, you know, any little setbacks or whatever, just let it get to me in a sense. I just want to ride the journey. We always have these teething problems with new builds and stuff. Like the B20, it should have been a simple, you know, drop-in thing. But I've had electrical issues with it. Because remember, guys, I've never really had this car out on the road like that. So yeah, I bought it, put a swap in it back then during COVID times, and I didn't actually get to drive it. So yeah, all the little, you know, gremlins and stuff that would show up are showing up now. So, but she's here. Like I said, man, she's here. I'm just gonna get bang on this with you guys. Like, I hope you guys are tuning in. I've got a couple bits which I do want to show before the video ends, and yeah, we'll be hopefully, yeah, in the next clip, man, we'll be making a start on this wiring properly. We'll get the ECU plumbed in, get the pressure sensors wired up, get the T1 trigger wired up, coil packs and whatever. And then hopefully in the video after that, we'll be getting the engine built and the fabrication side of things. Then we can hit the dyno, run it in. And yeah, like I said, man, I want to build this all in-house, guys. I don't have a ramp. I've never had a ramp. I've always done all my work on the floor. So yeah, man, as I said, I'm investing in myself this year. I do want to sort out this place also. So there'll be a lot of things in the pipeline, which I want to show you guys anyway. So yeah. Telling you, man, just stick to your goals, guys, man. You will achieve anything you want. Believe me when I tell you. But let me show you these bits, and I'm going to end this video. So I'll see you in a minute. So yes, guys, just trying out a different little style of video here. So this is my new dual fuel pump hanger from Full Blown. Got this off of Talk Sport, Gianni. He's upgrading to a fuel cell, so he was getting rid of this. So we're going to get 2 AEM 340 pumps, which will be going on this. So it's got a dash 8. Get this box out of the way. So it's actually got a dash 8 feed, see there, and a dash 6 return. I'm going to have to put some more sealant around this. So I know they are prone to leak. I think this is the old school style one from Full Blown, but yeah, he had it on his car. He's making over 600 with no issues. So yeah, got it for a nice cheap still. So thanks again, bro. This will help out majorly in our program. So yeah, man. So this package right here is from Torx. So that's where I get all my fuel lines and fittings from. So yeah, let's see what we've got here. So we've got some dash. This is dash 6. So this is what I'm going to be using for the return. So that's 5 meters of dash 6, and I've got 5 meters of dash 8. See there, nice streak. And good thing about this, guys, it can take any fuel type. So this is like the same kind of stuff that Vibrant use. Yeah, I have this for my drag car also. It's the exact same line. It's not cheap, but it's worth it, guys. It's got a nice blue streak on there. I think you can get red as well, and plain. So yeah, man, big up Torx every time. What else we got in here? I believe this is our fuel filter element. Yes, sir. So I actually got a stainless one because I think the one in there right now is paper, and we're going to be running some pretty potent gas. So yeah, we've got a new fuel filter element. Got a fuel filter, so I'll be getting that changed out. Show you guys how to do that as well. I'll be doing a whole episode on the fuel stuff anyway when it comes to it. And here we've got, I can open it, a range of fittings. Another one here. And I'll say, guys, I do not cheap out on anything that I do. Nothing. I think that's it for fittings. So yeah, we've got a few dash 8, we've got a few dash 6, just stuff that I need basically. I believe that's the dash 8. The dash 8 is quite big. And then the dash 6s are the smaller ones, as you see there. I think we've got a couple for the fuel rail, which converted to AN8 and dash 8, whatever you want to call it. I think these are ORB 6 to dash 8. So yeah, that is that for fuel. I've got a few other bits which I've already pre-recorded, so I'll show you that, and then we can end this video. So hell yeah, let's go. Got a little package here. Both of these packages are from America. Both of these came within 2 days, like crazy. But yeah, first one we'll dive into here is from Motion Raceworks. So we've got all of our push to connect fittings for our wastegate stuff and blow off valve stuff. So yeah, man, spent a pretty penny on this stuff. So yeah, man, got a 10-foot reel of line here, and we've also got a 20-foot reel of line as well. So we shouldn't be running out of line anytime soon, but it's good to have spares. And yeah, man, the quality of these, I was just gonna get the generic, you know, like industrial style ones, but truest, like, you know, wastegate, the heat and stuff, so I just opted out to get the proper ones. Buy once, cry once. So that's that. We also got another package from Low Dollar Motorsports, and the name kind of speaks for itself. These pressure sensors, $70 each. Can't go wrong. Seen quite a few big names run these, and yeah, man, no issues so far. So 0 to 150 psi. So I've got 2 of them with connectors. Oh, I'm gonna scratch up that bonnet. So I've got 2 of them. One's gonna be for fuel pressure, and the other one's gonna be for coolant pressure. And oil pressure, we're gonna use the one that comes with the AEM gauge. So yeah, we're getting there, man. We are getting there. Just these little tedious bits just add up, guys, so just bear with me. And yeah, man, once some more bits come in, we'll get on it.